To show you something really cool that we've built. Now, as tutors out there, you can open pencil spaces and have us help you grade problems as well. Let's try it out. Hey, pencil, can you grade this question for me? So what's happening right now is the AI system is looking at the work here,
Let's start by reviewing the
understanding, oh,
question and your
and there we
solution.
go.
You are asked to find the area of triangle ABC where AB is 3 and AC is 5. You correctly identified that this is a right triangle with AB and AC as the legs and BC as the hypotenuse. However, there are some mistakes in your calculations. Let's go through the correct steps together. You correctly started with the Pythagorean theorem. AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. However, you made a mistake in your calculations. Let's correct that. Now that we have the correct length of BC, which is 4, we can find the area of the
So
triangle. The
imagine
formula for the area of a right triangle is
your
1 slash
student.
2, base height. In this case, AB is the base and BC is the height. So, the correct area of triangle ABC is 6 square units. You had a mistake in calculating BC and thus the area. Remember to carefully follow the steps and verify your calculations. Great effort.
So look at this. Your student can now uh, get a fully detailed graded response from you. And if you want, you can also enable it to do this themselves. Just a huge time saver and a really nice way to get exactly the kind of support that the student needs.